BMW Motorrad announcement new 2024 for adventure bikes, with 3 model appearance. The new BMW F800 GS, F900 GS and F900 GS Adventure Model 2024, first look. 3 of new models in GS segment from BMW Motorrad motorcycles. Go out and make new memories, the world has no limits and so do we. For each adventure there is a matching GS. How do you feel for new adventure with the all-new BMW F900 GS, F900 GS Adventure, and F800 GS? That both of these models are equipped for anything, these motorcycles embody the spirit of GS and are ready for every challenge with a host of updated features and improved performance of motorcycle. I think you will satisfy and want to choose this model for adventure. Sure, which model is your favorite? BMW F900 GS, F900 GS Adventure, and F800 GS? Please let me know your feel by comment below. After watch my video above, with the official video from BMW Motorrad motorcycles for adventure bikes, I think you satisfied, so please like and share this video to your friend. If you have anything of this model, or want to know clearly, please comment below, or check BMW Motorrad web for clearly. If you didn't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell to see my new video each first. Thanks for watching.